Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We cover personal finance on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Cash App. Specifically, how does the boost function work in 2024? Now, I've made a video about boosts in the past, and not much has changed, but things as far as where it is in the app, and a few other minor things have changed. So we're going to go over it again. So you want to start off by opening the Cash App up. And this goes without saying, but you do need the Cash App debit card in order to use the boost function. So, assuming you have that, click on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. As you can see on the screen, underneath the debit card, it has Uber Eats 5% off of an online order. And what that is something called a boost. So that means if I use my Cash App debit card to make a purchase on Uber Eats, I will get 5% off applied to that purchase. To show what I mean, let's go to our transactions and click on Uber Eats since I recently ordered. And as we scroll down, you can see the history. And as we see on Thursday, it says 5% off applied. Now backing out of that, you'll notice that the other transactions don't have this because they didn't have that boost going on at that time. So it was cheaper because I had the boost. Now that we know exactly how the boost function works, where can you find them now? Well, there's a little tag icon at the bottom of the screen between the money icon and the transaction icon. If you click that, you'll see various boosts that you can pick from. As you scroll down, you can click on various categories to kind of categorize what boosts may pop up. Now, before we select the new boost, I want to cover some in regards to boosts nowadays. As you can see under the debit card, it says the Uber Eats is 5% off, but this is actually expired. When I click on it, you see it says offer expired. Previously, when a boost expired, it would just fall off. But for whatever reason, Cash App just leaves this here, and you could be under the impression that you're still going to get a discount, even though the offer is expired. So you always want to make sure that the offer is still valid. And if it's not, you can adjust your expectations or maybe even search for a new offer in the boost section, which is what I'm about to do now. So the boosts I have the most interest in nowadays is the food and drink. So I'm clicking on food and drink, and I see something that interests me. Chipotle, 5% off. I'm gonna click on it. And it says 5% off Chipotle, save up to $5 once every 24 hours. Then it's asking if I wanna swap boosts. Now, obviously, the Uber Eats is expired, so I'm going to swap it. Click on Swap Offer. It says Offer Added. Use your cash card to save. Click on Done. And now I'm going to go to my card section. And as you can see, the boost has changed to Chipotle. If at any point you want to remove the offer, all you got to do is click on the offer and click on Remove Offer. And you can also get to the boost section again by clicking on See All Offers, and it'll take you to the boost section. But with that being said, that covers how boosts work in 2024. A few little minute details have changed, so I felt it was necessary to cover this topic again. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't signed up for Cash App and you have an interest in doing so, you want to check this video out that goes over the sign up process. I'll catch you later. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. And if you found value in this video, give a like for the YouTube algorithm. Peace out.